Oracle Hosting Services. Why hosted ERP scares some companies. Some IT professionals just don't trust an Oracle Hosting Services model. They find moving their ERP applications to a third party scary, really scary. But why? Many companies have been outsourcing CRM, file sharing, email, and more to hosting providers for years. In a nutshell, ERP applications are mission critical. Other applications can crash and the business would be inconvenienced but wouldn't shut down. On the other hand, if the ERP application goes down, so does the business. Companies rely on ERP functionality and data to run their operations. When a company migrates to Oracle Hosting Services, it's relying on the provider to keep the application available 24/7. Certain IT managers have a hard time with the perceived risk of downtime, even if it's not warranted. What's most often at issue with these IT folks is giving up control. Another risk that concerns some IT managers about Oracle Hosting Services is security. The sensitive nature of ERP applications, including accounting, general ledger, and manufacturing, can cause some companies to have second thoughts about moving that confidential information off-site to a third-party provider. In actuality, proven Oracle Hosting Services providers have certified experts on staff around the clock. A good candidate would have data centers that are SSAE 16 Type 2 audited, and the technology and processes would be time-tested under stringent controls. Few companies would be able to make similar investments in people, equipment, and facility resources. Despite the apparent risks, plenty of companies have migrated to Oracle Hosting Services. The high cost of maintaining ERP infrastructures in-house have made the decision a worthwhile one for a growing number of businesses, especially the mid-market size. The major upside of Oracle Hosting Services. Once companies understand the benefits of Oracle Hosting Services, they become much more open-minded about the risks. Moving to a third party makes application maintenance so much easier. Plus, existing IT resources are freed up to work on more strategic and profit-driven projects within the business. But the real driver of Oracle Hosting Services is lower costs. In this case, it often does come down to the money for small and mid-sized companies. The cost of annual licensing and maintenance for an on-premises ERP solution can add up to several $100,000. A hosted model makes ERP applications a much more affordable option for businesses. For example, companies usually pay a much lower monthly fee instead of the hefty annual investment for an in-house solution. Oracle Hosting Services are generally priced in a straightforward way. By moving an on-premise ERP application to a hosted solution, the savings from annual licensing would be substantial. But other savings include maintenance, staff, and equipment. As an example of these saving extras, if a company was able to eliminate one IT maintenance position at $65,000 per year, $20,000 in annual license maintenance, and $2,000 for annual server upgrades, it would save $87,000 per year by moving to Oracle Hosting Services. This amount is in addition to the net savings from licensing. The level of potential cost savings are hard to ignore. When businesses can save tons of money each and every year or can implement an ERP application they wouldn't otherwise be able to afford, a hosted model isn't scary at all. In fact, it's a welcome opportunity.